Please, I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry.
I'm so sorry.
Sorry.
I have been telling you here.
Sorry, please.
Because of money.
Please.
Now you're going back.
No.
Because you see the other guy.
No. I love you so much. I love you so much. Please. Hey, Jesus.
You know, I just come back last week from America, okay?
Yes.
So I saw you passing, but I love you so much.
Jesus, I know that you love me so much.
Yeah, I love you so much. I want spoil with money. I call and we rake cash, you know. This is the one of my car, you know. This is one of my car.
Wow, Jesus Christ. Wow, beautiful. Wow. Oh my God.
They never show you.
Wow, so beautiful.
I have many.
Wow, you have so many.
Yes.
So beautiful.
One of my car, okay?
So you will be carrying me in the front of the chair.
Yeah.
Wow. I'm so happy.
Wow. In America, I will change the life of your family, okay?
Jesus Christ.
Yeah.
Wow.
Yeah. So I love you so much, my man. Change the life of your family.
So pretty.
I love you so much.
Trevor.
God, leave him now. What is your problem?
No, Trevor, it's me.
Do you know him?
No, he used to be my boyfriend, but he don't have money.
Okay, you used to be your boyfriend, but don't have money.
Because of money.
Okay, I don't have money. Okay,
Don't
come
have
out
money.
here.
Leave me now.
Oh, my babe.
Yes. Don't worry. You take care of me with this your new
I will
car.
take care of you.
With this your beautiful car.
When I reach America, you know.
Excuse me, I want to enter my car.
Okay, what is your problem?
I want to go out.
Come back to America. Why I'm pressing
Don't
you?
concern me with your
Do you
America.
know me?
Babe,
I want to go out.
this is not your car.
I beg, I'm not around.
Babe, this is not your car.
I'm not here.
Babe,
Now
this
your
is not your
car.
car.
It's my car now.
Nah, babe.
Similar George. So this is not your car.
Now fake life now.
So this is not your car. You say that it's your
life
car.
now. No verse.
No, familiar. Please. I'm so sorry.
Trevor, I have been telling you here. Because of money. Now you're not back.
No.
Because you see the other guy.
No. I love you so much.
Not here.
Please. Hey, Jesus.
Can I share one thing? Bambo follow me because you are my bambo make you happy. Make his enemy happy. Follow them. You follow me now, share and comment. May God bless you.